So this is day 46, my 17th day, and I I've warmed up, and then I went straight to yesterday's video and listened to what I'd come up with for the first line, and then in very short order I went through. Me and Sonny been together a long time. He understands things that I don't because he's a cat. I think that's going to be my chorus. It goes like this. Me and Sonny been together a long time. He understands things that I don't because he's a cat. I super short, like that's a minute, but now I've got it recorded and I can keep going. As long as this is so cool, because as long as I have it recorded, I can figure it out later. Yeah, anyway, that's cool.